Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Share. Before we continue, I'd like us to like and follow our Facebook page, comment and share our video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at the question here. This question is gotten from the just concluded September 2023 YC mathematics question. This is number one, and from now on we are going to be uploading from number one till the end of this question from 2023 YC. So we have here, in a talent hunt competition of 35 artists, they indicated their interest in playing cymbal, saxophone, and bongo. Out of the number, 24 preferred cymbal, 16 saxophone, and 18 bongo. 8 preferred cymbal only, 2 saxophone only, and 6 bongo only. 4 play all the 3 instruments, while 7 preferred cymbal and saxophone only. A. Illustrate the information in a Venn diagram. B. Find the number of artists who preferred I, only 2 of instrument, II, only 1 type of instrument. So we are going to illustrate this information in a Venn diagram and bring out the universal set and also the subset of this question. So we have solution. First of all, we are going to look at, and here we have in the question, 35 artists is the universal set, which is number of universal set equals to 35. So the next one, 24 preferred cymbal. So the number of, let's see, it stands for cymbal equals to 24. Then 16 saxophone. Number of saxophone equals to 16. Then we have 18 bongo. Number of bongo is 18. Then the next one is 8. It says 8 preferred cymbal only. So number of cymbal only equals to 8. Then 2 saxophone only. Then number of saxophone only equals to 2. Then the next one is 6 bongo only. Number of bongo equals only equals to 6. Then 4 play all the instruments. That means number of saxophone intersection bongo intersection cymbal equals to 4. Then we have 7 preferred cymbal and saxophone only. So we have number of cymbal intersection saxophone equals to 7. So I think that's all the subset that we have inside there. So A says illustrate the information in a Venn diagram. So we are going to illustrate all what we have here in a Venn diagram. So now our A question says illustrate the information in a Venn diagram, and this is our Venn diagram. We are going to input all the preambles into this Venn diagram. So let us take the first one, which is the universal set, which is the universal set equals to 35. And we take the second one, which is the cymbal. The number of cymbal equals to 24. And we take the second one, which is the saxophone. Number of saxophone equals to 16. And the third one, which is the bongo, the number of bongo equals to 18. So we have the universal set as 35, and we have the subset, the cymbal, saxophone, and the bongo. So now And we now have the number of cymbal only is 8. The cymbal only is 8. That is people that played preferred only cymbal. Then we have saxophone only, which is 2. Then we have bongo only, which is 6. So now we have another one. The number of cymbal intersection saxophone. This is cymbal intersection saxophone, which is 7. And we also have a saxophone intersection bongo intersection cymbal is 4. So where do we find that? This is the place that the three of them intersect, which is 4. And here we are now left with this and this, which is the intersection of cymbal and the bongo. Number of cymbal intersection bongo only equals to, let's say, A. So we put A here. So we have the next one, which is here, the number of saxophone intersection bongo only, which is B. So here represents B. So now we are going to look for, we have been able to illustrate this in a Venn diagram. This is a Venn diagram. So this is the question. The A part is answered. So we are moving to the B part. And the B part says, find the number of artists who preferred I only 2 of instrument. Before we can find only 2 of instrument, which is this, this, and this. So before we find that, let us find the value of A and B. So we take this A, and if you can see from this subset, we have all this number and left with A. So we take from number of cymbal, we have 8 plus 7 plus 4 plus A equals to 24. So the whole of this must be equals to 24 for this subset. So when we add that, we have this as 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 7, 19. So we have 19 plus A equals to 24. Therefore, A equals to 24 minus 19, which is 5. So our A is 5. So let's find the value of B. So B here, you can see that our A is given. We can find the value of A here. So our A is 5. Then we say from number of bongo, we have A, which is 5, plus 4, plus B, plus 6 equals to 18. Therefore, if we add this up, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Then we have 15 plus B equals to 18. Therefore, B equals to 18 minus 15, which is 3. So our B is equals to 3. Now, we've been able to get this and this. So the question now says only 2 of instrument is what we are going to find out. So if you are able to trace this place here and here, because here is only 2 instruments here, only 2 instruments here, only 2 instruments here. So we are going to add up that. So B I equals to 7 plus our A is 5, plus our B, which is 3. Then when we add up this, 7 plus 5, we have 12. 12 plus 3, this is 15. Then BII, we have BII says only one type of instrument. You can see that this 8 is the only one here, 6 is the only one here, 2 is the only one here. So we are going to add up those places. Then we have 8 plus 6 plus 2. If we add this, we have 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 6, we have 16. So this is the value of what we have. BI is 15. BII is 16. So it satisfies our question given here. If you like what we are doing here, follow us for more. From now on, we are going to present the rest number of the question. Thank you.